Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unassign a lead to a team member in your Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to unassign a lead in Monday CRM to one of your team members anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your sales staff can get overwhelmed, so maybe it's better to go ahead and start trimming back their leads that they're working. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unassign a lead from one of your team members, here on the left side, you're going to click on leads. Once you do that, you're going to see all the leads you have in Monday CRM. So just scroll through until you find the lead that you want to unassign. So for example, this one right here, and then we want to look for the column that says people. So we're going to scroll over, and once you're here in people, you're going to see the various team members that have access to this lead. So we're just going to click on these little bubble icons. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the team members that have access right here. And in order to unassign or remove one of your team members from this lead, just click on the X next to their name. Okay, as soon as you do that, the team member is going to be moved down and they're going to be removed. They're no longer going to be listed in turquoise. Also, if you look inside the people column, you can see their initials have disappeared as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to unassign or remove a team member from one of your leads in Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.